What's going on, sneakerheads? This is Case bringing you guys back another video. Today's video we will be restoring these Beluga 2.0s. I'm just gonna show you guys how to get the soles back to that factory, or as close as possible factory white on the bottom or the boost area. I'm not gonna take the laces off on these just because they're not that dirty. However, I will be cleaning the uppers as well. But they also have lint balls on inside the sock liner, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get rid of that as well. But yeah, let's go. So the first thing you guys want to do is get a shoe tree. Doesn't matter what shoe tree it is, just get a shoe tree. This one is specifically from Rejuvenator. So yeah, just go ahead and pop that in there just to get that form. A nice little click. Okay. Oh, I'm also gonna be using Rejuvenator solution. I tried Crep, I tried other Jason Marks, I tried other solutions as well, but I believe Rejuvenator is the best one. So, hey, Rejuvenator, if you're trying to sponsor me, what's up, baby? Let's go. But yeah, we'll start with the soft bristle brush first. And the trick on this is not to apply too much pressure. Kind of just want to go, you know, circular motion. The shoe looks way better now. Yeah, see how dark is there? Black, gone. I was gonna let my indoor setup do it, my icebox, but I'm gonna leave that up to the yellow part then, I'm guessing. But yeah, these look actually pretty good. I'm not gonna put them in the washing machine just because the uppers are not dirty, so it would be a waste. All right, since I don't want to wait till the next day probably for these shoes to get dried up, I'm just gonna cheat and use a heat gun. So yeah.
Bruh.
Fail. You gotta connect it, Gonzalo. There you go. let the shoes dry up for quite some time now. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get rid of the yellowing around the shoes. For that, I'll be using Salon Care 40. So let's go. So here I'm just using my indoor setup. It's just a bin and it's wrapped around in tinfoil. It's very inexpensive. The only thing that costs is pretty much over $50 here is just the UV light. You can buy this. You can make your own box if you want to. I live in Florida, so I cannot always depend on the sun. So I decided to invest into this, and it's actually turned out pretty good. So here we have the shoes after a 3-hour session. You can definitely see very, very good results. They look really, really nice. This is only for a 3-hour session. I mean, I'm gonna resell these, so I'm not too worried about the yellowing on the bottoms. But if you were to do it many more sessions, they will definitely become more white.